I'm going to be doing an experiment today. And who wants to go first? Who wants to try it first?
Me.
Okay. You put your hand right here.
Okay.
Your hand right there.
Right there.
Yep. Then I'll go here.
Okay.
Who do you think will grab the piece of paper first?
You? Because it's an experiment, so
No.
I'm guessing you. Your hand.
Okay. Right when you see my hand move, then grab the piece of paper.
Okay.
Oh my god, I got it. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? Try again. Okay.
Should I try?
Yeah, let's try Adrian. Okay, it's Adrian's turn.
What?
Are you surprised that I got them all? Okay. Right here. Perfect. Okay, ready to try again? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, try again. Further up. This is fun.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah?
What's the science behind it?
So the reason these two failed. Ooh, how about Season Lady?
Just like
You should try.
Season Lady, you do it.
Oh goodness.
It's not possible.
All right, what am I doing?
You have to try to grab the piece of paper when you see my hand move.
Okay.
All right. Is this okay?
Yep.
Oh no. All right, try again.
Okay.
Wait, can I try doing it
It's
to
hard,
you?
right?
Can I try doing it to you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll probably fail. Okay. Wait, what?
See?
What the? Okay. You're not moving your hand.
Yeah, I
Is
know.
that why?
Yeah. See? The reason why they all failed is because a little something called the dumb part of your brain. That part of your brain doesn't work very well when it's in extreme situations. So just imagine, so this piece of paper was here, and like Adrian, he put his hand right here, and he was so focused on this piece of paper, his peripheral vision tried to look at the hand too, but before he could see it happen, I grabbed the piece of paper. And the reason behind that, your peripheral vision isn't very good, but you can still see things, it's just your central vision is going to be a lot better. And if you're focused on something, everything else blinds out. And that's why I could do that. Okay. I figured out what the non-logical side of your brain is called. The left side of your brain. No kidding. That's literally just what it's called.
This epic car is powered by air.
This is how to make it.
You'll need a bottle. Awesome bottle. You'll need a balloon, dowel rod or skewer, and a paper plate. Cut 4 holes in the bottle so that the skewers can go through. Cut the skewer or dowel in half, so they end up like this. Put the skewers or dowel rods through the holes like this. Make sure it ends up like this. Cut the paper plate into small circles, representing the wheels. They should end up something like this. Put your wheels on the skewers or dowel rods like this. Adrian?
Not now. Can't you see I'm under a lot of atmosphere pressure?
It's a good joke. I make horrible science puns, but only periodically. Let's get back to work now. So you're gonna need your bottle with the wheels on it. Take your bottle and take your balloons. The balloons. Take the balloons. Yeah, I said take the balloons. And then you're gonna take this orange balloon. I'm just kidding, but you can take any color balloon. And then you're gonna put it in to here. Put it into there, into your bottle. And then you're just gonna take the edge of the balloon and you're gonna stretch it around stretch it around the top of your bottle.
And hopefully it doesn't pop.
Like that.
Now the fun part.
The balloon from the outside like this.
Do it by hand. This is how you actually do it.
The balloon pushes the bottle with its force, and it has enough air to push the bottle forward. If you want to do this at home, then great, because this is perfectly safe to do.
The science behind tornado in a jar is when you spin the water in the jar, it creates a vortex. The vortex is in the center of the jar. When the water is spinning, centripetal force makes the water spin around the vortex. That makes a mini tornado.
Today we're making oobleck. Oobleck is a non-nutrient fluid.
That means it's not a liquid nor solid.
A solid is a firm and stiff object.
A liquid is a substance that flows freely, but is a constant.
That just clicked in.
Having a consistency.
See, if you apply pressure to it, it looks like it's a solid.
And if you touch it slowly, it's a liquid.
It can turn into a solid because it forces the cornstarch particles together.
Now let's
Make it.
You need cornstarch.
Bowl.
Swish, swish.
Also need some H2O.
Yes,
you need a fancy
fancy.
Get to it.
Now you need about 1 cup of cornstarch. I'm opening this one. Okay. So we're going to add 1 cup in cornstarch, like I said. We had a little mishap. So Naomi already has hers in purple because of reasons. Anyways, we're gonna pour. Oh my gosh, on the floor. Okay. I hope. Okay. This stuff is dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
We're about to put a little scoop.
You gotta, here.
Wait.
Do it over the bowl.
Okay, then you hold it. We're just gonna put about 1 cup of cornstarch into thy bowl.
Okay,
So we have a half cup here, so we're gonna put 2. You know. So, but
Because we're smart people.
and that's what the recipe said online. So that's what I'm just gonna do.
We didn't get it on Wikipedia.
Wikipedia doesn't have recipes, Naomi.
Oh, that's true.
We got it on DollarTree.com. The recipe.
This is good.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now take your fancy Nancy.
Oh wait,
Actually,
first we gotta put our beautiful coloring in.
this is an option, or this is you
This
don't
is
have
an
to use
option.
this.
If you want it
It's an
plain
option.
white, then
Well, this is an option. You can put food coloring in it to make it a color.
I'm doing the blue. She's doing the green.
So we're gonna.
I'm just gonna do
Look,
2
that's
right
so
now.
cool.
We could just do 2 right now. See how much we need.
Oh, I'm putting 4 because I want a dark green color. So yeah.
Oh,
And then-
Jesus, this is hard.
Okay, and then stir with your fancy dance. Might be able to see it. I'm just gonna smell this. But anyways, there are some like white stuff at the
I
bottom.
feel like I need more cornstarch.
There are like white like bumps at the bottom. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to mix that juiciness in because that's cornstarch. I guess cornstarch isn't juicy. Never mind. You'll have to mix it into the juiciness. So that's the one. So you'll have to mix that in. So yeah.
This is super secret. Caution, it can color your hands.
Yes.
Today we will be doing something we call bursting colors. You need 4 cups. First we need 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon in each cup.
Next, add 1 color of food coloring in each cup.
Last you add the vinegar in all cups.
Foam is special because each tiny foam bubble is filled with oxygen.
The yeast acted as a catalyst to remove oxygen.
Vinegar activates the whole thing.
Hello and welcome to the color wheel. Today we're telling you about colors, and this is going to tell you the colors. 777 means unlucky. Well, looks like these lucky colors are going home with the car.
We need the old-fashioned person who knows a lot about science.
Huh?
Where is he?
Me? Is it me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Well, this is walking water, and like you have. Okay, so you take 7 cups, and you fill 4 of them with water, and then you you put food coloring in each of them, different food colors. Then you take a napkin and
See, napkins,
well,
right there.
napkins
Napkins.
right here.
Yeah, basically, there's.
So you actually, hey director, can you cut?
Yeah, sure.
How you fold the napkin? So you spread it out like that, and then you fold it in half. Fold it in half. You fold it in half this way. Fold it in half that way. There. Now cut. Okay. So the science behind it is that the napkins, see, they go like. So it sucks up the water, then it brings it over to the other cup, and they like form different colors. So then you see yellow and red made orange, and then red and green made like a brown, and then blue and green made teal. And then yeah, so that's the end of it. Well, actually,
Wait, that
should we have
actually not.
should we have another game show?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, we should. Okay.
We should bring the game
Okay,
show.
been the end of the color wheel and their experiment. Have a great time.
Yep, super great time, people. We are going to make the fluffy of the slime.
What is fluffy slime?
It's the same as regular slime, except it's thicker.
Okay.
Anyways,
We're gonna show y'all how to make some fluffiest of the fluffy slime.
but wait. How is the fluffy of the slime made? And what's the science behind it?
Okay, so once upon a slimy time, these polymers were No, what really happens is that all the slime is polymers, and when you activate the slime and add anything with boric acid, then you do something called cross pollination. It's basically when they join together to make it, aka slime.
Oh, let's go make some of that with glue.
Shaving cream.
Staflo. A bowl.
And a spatula.
Yes!
And then you get this beautiful slime.
Vote for us if you love your
So we're making kinetic sand and explaining the science behind it. You will need 1 cup of really fine play sand. Then you would need 1 teaspoon of dish soap and then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And you can now add your food coloring and mix it and let it sit for 2 hours. Okay, so this should be your final product. Okay, so then you're just gonna want that sit for 2.5 hours, and then you'll have your kinetic sand.
Silicones are polymers, meaning they're molecules made up of long chains of repeated units. Similarly with kinetic sand, and the polymer chains within the silicone oil make the sand particles stick together, so you can form them into a ball. However, the ball will slowly flatten out over time.